Morning children, welcome to the online classes. So we are continuing this exercise 10.5. So previously two problems are completed. Now come to the third problem. It is given that in figure 10.37 angle PQR equal to 100 degrees where PQR points on the circle with center O. Find OPR. Find OPR. So figure given that this is the given P, Q, R. These 3 points are circle. These 3 points are circle. And so here O is the center. O is the center. We have to find OPR. So this angle. We have to find this angle. So how to find this angle? So here come to the first of all, what is the given? Angle PQR equal to 100 degrees. Is given that angle PQR equal to 100 degrees. PQR equal to 100 degrees. PQR equal to 100 degrees. And also here given. So here take any point on the circle at the side of major arc. So here PQ is the chord. This is the chord. So this is the minor arc. So this is the major arc. So here this is the PQRS. Take a point on S, on a circle that is S. So now join here PS and RS. PS and RS. So now here this is the PQRS. So these 4 points are lie on the circle. So here PQ, PS and RS join. So here if PQR equal to 100 degrees. So here we need to find angle OPR. To find angle OPR. To find OPR equal to have to find. So here take a point S on major circle. Take a point on major arc. Take a point S. Take a point S on major arc. This is the major arc. So next join PS and SR. Join PS and SR. Then PQ RS is a cyclic quadrilateral. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle Q plus angle S equal to 180 degrees. Angle P plus is complete angle. Angle P plus angle R also 180 degrees. So here come to the here. So angle PQR plus angle PSR. Angle PSR equal to 180 degrees. So here angle PQR plus angle PSR equal to 180 degrees. So what is the reason here? The sum of the here opposite angle sum is 180 degrees. This angle and this angle, the sum of either pair of opposite angles are 180 degrees. So you have to write here sum of either pair of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. So this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degrees. So here angle PQR is given that 100 degrees. So here this is the 100 degrees plus angle PSR equal to 180 degrees. Angle PSR equal to 180 degrees. So therefore angle PSR equal to angle PSR 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. So this is equal to 80 degrees. This is equal to 80 degrees. So angle PSR equal to 80 degrees. Angle PSR equal to 80 degrees. So we need to find angle OPR. We need to find angle OPR. So here we know that. So here this PSR, the subtended angle by arc PQR at the any point of circle. So we know that this theorem. So this is the point here PQ. This is center O. POQ equal to 2 times of PAQ. That is theorem 10.8. So here apply the same theorem. The angle subtended by an arc of at the center is double of any point on the remaining part of the circle. So here angle POR equal to 2 times of angle POS. So this therefore here angle POR equal to 2 times of angle PSR. So here we know that angle POR equal to 2 into angle PSR equal to 180 degrees. Angle PSR equal to 180 degrees. Angle PSR equal to 80 degrees. So here angle POR equal to, this is the 160 degree. Angle POR equal to 160 degree. So come to here, we know that angle POR equal to 160 degrees. So come to the here, this is the 160 degrees. Now take a triangle. So here POR equal to this is equal to 160 degrees. So this is equal to 80 degrees. This is equal to, already find here 160 degrees. Triangle, take triangle OPR. In triangle OPR, so here angle OP in triangle OP equal to OR. In triangle OPR, so here OP equal to OR. So what is the reason? Radii in same circle. So this is the OP and OR radius. So here OP opposite angle is angle ORP. Angle ORP equal to angle OPR. So here opposite angles of equal sides. So these two angles are this angle is the opposite angles of equal sides. So these two are equal. Their opposite sides also equal. So here OP ORP equal to OPR. So come to this triangle. So angle OPR angle OPR plus angle ORP plus angle POR. So angle POR equal to 180 degrees. So what is the reason? Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. So here you have to take here angle ORP and OPR. So both are same. Instead of angle OPR, instead of angle OPR equal to ORP and ORP equal to OPR. So here this is the angle OPR. So ORP equal to OPR plus angle POR equal to 160 degrees. This is equal to 160 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So here 2 times of OPR equal to 180 minus 60, 160. So this is equal to 20. Angle OPR equal to 20 by 2. 2 times of angle OPR equal to 20. So therefore angle OPR equal to 10 degrees. Therefore angle OPR equal to 200 to 10. So angle OPR equal to 10 degrees. This is the solution of third one. The next fourth one, in figure 10.38, angle ABC equal to 69 degrees and angle ACB equal to 31 degrees to find angle BDC. So here given, so what is the given? Angle ABC equal to 69 degrees and angle ACB equal to 31 degrees to find angle BDC. Angle BDC equal to, we have to find. So here, how to find this one? Triangle ABC. It is a triangle. Triangle BDC also one of the triangle. So this is the one triangle. This is the another triangle. So here in triangle ABC. So here angle ABC plus angle BCA, angle ABC and angle ACB plus, so again angle ABC plus and angle BAD and another angle is PAD. So here angle ABC and angle ACB and angle BAD, it's this angle BAD. So here sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That is the angle sum property in a triangle. Angle ABC equal to 69 degrees plus angle ACB equal to, so this angle equal to 69 degrees plus 31 degrees. So here so this is equal to 69 degrees plus 31 degrees plus angle BAD. Angle BAD equal to 180 degrees. This is the 10. So here 70, total 100 degrees. So here 69 plus 31, 70. So this is equal to 100 degrees plus angle BAD equal to 180 degrees. So angle BAD equal to 180 minus 100 degrees. 180 minus 100 degrees. Angle BAD equal to BAD equal to, that is 8 degrees. Angle BAD equal to 8 degrees. So here angle BAD and angle BDC, angle BAD and equal to angle BDC. So here the same segment of a circle, these two angles are in the same segment of a circle. So here this angle BAD and angle BDC both are on the same segment. So here what is the reason? Angles in the same segment of circle are equal. So angles in the same segment of circle are equal. So here angle BAD equal to 8 degrees, therefore angle BDC equal to 80 degrees. Angle BCD equal to 80 degrees. So this is the solution of fourth one. This is the solution of fourth one. Next, fifth one. In figure 10.39, A, B, C and D are 4 points on a circle. BD intersect at a point BD and AC intersect at a point E, such that angle B is equal to 130 degrees, angle ECD equal to 20 degrees. Find angle BAC. So what is the given here? Here given angle BEC equal to 130 degrees and angle ECD equal to 20 degrees. Angle ECD equal to 20 degrees. You need to find angle BAC equal to, you need to find angle BAC equal to, you need to find. So how to find? So this angle BAC. So observe here angle BAC and BDC both are the angles in the same segment of a circle. So come to the here triangle CDE. In triangle CDE. So here in triangle CDE, here BEC is the exterior angle. So here in triangle CDE, angle BEC equal to, so this is the exterior angle. This is the triangle. So here this is the exterior angle. So exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. So here that is angle ECD plus angle EDC. Here angle ECD plus angle EDC. So here exterior angle equal to this angle plus this angle. Interior, sum of the opposite interior angles. So this exterior angle 130 degrees, we write the equation. Angle EDC, we don't know. Angle EDC plus 20 degrees equal to 130 degrees. Now come to the here. Angle EDC equal to 130 degrees minus 20 degrees. That is equal to 110 degrees. So angle EDC equal to 110 degrees. So here E, B are on the same line. So angle EDC equal to angle BDC. So therefore angle BDC equal to 110 degrees. Angle BDC equal to 110 degrees. So here EDC and BDC are on the same, the angle is same here. They are on the E and B are on the same line. On the same line, angle BD is equal to 120 degrees. So angle BDC, angle BAC equal to angle BDC, angles of same segment, angles of same segment of the circle, angles of same segment of the circle. So here angle BAC and BDC angles of same segment of a circle. Same segment of a angles are equal. So therefore angle BAC equal to what is that? Angle BDC. So angle BDC equal to 110 degrees. The same here angle BAC also 110 degrees. So this is the problem number. This is the solution of problem number 3. So this fifth problem is completed. So here today homework is so exercise 10.5, third problem, fourth problem and fifth problem you have to practice. I hope that all of you understand these problems. So next we will meet next session. You must be send the homework in regular time. Okay, thank you children, thank you.